Hi children, this is the maths activities to take you through the last week of the year. Okay, so we got the last workout 12 for the mental maths. And you can check your answers. So you've all been doing very well with this, so well done. And what we got also is that we got some mental maths games, which is on the Top Marks website, and there's lots of different things you can do, so you can have a go on that one. The answers are there. So for the main maths, there are two activities. So one is an investigation, polyominoes, so you can read that. So it's looking at squares. So polyomino is made up by joining two or more equal squares side by side. So this is the simplest one, is like a domino. So a third square can be added to a polyomino, and we call it a triomino. There are two unique ways to do this, that way and that way. So we're looking at different ways. So they will look the same if you rotate them or turn them around the other way. So, or you hold them up. Anyway, there are several rotations and reflections of the two unique shapes. So for this one, it could look like that. So it's been rotated or reflected, that one and that one. And this one can be vertical, like the other way. Okay, and then these two are not triominos. Can you explain why? So you think of that, it doesn't fit these, even though they're three squares. And this one, because they're using the corners and not the sides. Okay, right, so there's another one, tetraminos. So four squares joined side to side make a tetramino. Okay, how many unique arrangements can you find? So use the squared paper further down on the work pack to sketch them. So how many different ways can you make them that's unique? Okay, getting started. A good way to find tetraminos is to draw one of the two triominos, and then you add a fourth square. So 3, or this one. So if you add that one, where would it go? Would it go there at the end? This one can go in there. So how many different unique ways? So that's an investigation. So remember, the squares have to be joined side to side, not on the corners. Okay. Check the answer page. Did you find them all? And then you can play the game Tetris. Is a mathematical puzzle game which uses the tetramino shapes. So you can follow this link on Maths is Fun and play those games. I'm sure you've played them before. Like so. There's the diagram. So you've got to rotate them. So they are all called tetraminos. Okay. Now we're going to find some pentaminos, which means pent is 5. Okay, so we're going to expand our understanding of that. So add in another square onto tetraminos and see how many different unique ways you can do it. Okay, and then you can explore these ones. So there's 2 pages of squared paper you can get on with. Okay, and then there's the answers. Okay, the second activity, you're going to use addition skills to solve a fun set of number puzzles which involve finding the cost of different names using a rather special number alphabet grid. Okay, the aims is to use number skills to solve some addition problems. You need pencil and paper. This is a special alphabet grid. It gives you each vowel a value of 10p and values of 2, 3, 5 and 7 and 8 for consonants. So you well know the alphabet is 26 letters, but 5 of them are vowels, A, E, I, O or U. and they're all worth 10 pence. And then B, F, J, P, V are worth 8p. 7p for C, G, K, Q and W. 5p for D, H, L, R and X. And 3p for the M, S and Y. And 2p only for the N, the T and the Z. So using that valuation, that code, write your first and last names. What's the cost of each letter? So you've got to add up each of the money for each letter of your name. First name and last name. What's the total cost of your whole name? Repeat this for other members of your family. Who is worth the most? How much are you worth in your name? Which name is worth the least? And then some strategies for adding several small numbers. The vowels are all worth 10p, which can be added using place value. Look for pairs that total 10p, like 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 1 and 9. Use doubles. Start with the larger number and count on in ones, or by bridging a multiple of 10. So these are all the strategies that you can use. Write the names clearly. Cross off each letter as you count it, so you don't repeat it. Check your answers by adding in a different order. Okay, puzzle 1. Whose name is worth the most? Sheriff Woody, Buzz Lightyear, Bo Peep, Mr. Potato Head, Slinky Dog. And they're all characters from Toy Story. Puzzle 2. How much is David Beckham's name worth? So, David Beckham. How much is it worth? Now find one celebrity with a cheaper and one with a more expensive name than David Beckham. So think of your favourite film star, pop artist. And then puzzle 3, find a name. It can be an imaginary one that is worth exactly £1 or 100p. Okay. Pangram challenge. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now this is a pangram because it contains all the letters of the alphabet, 26 letters. Use the table to find the total cost of this sentence. I wonder if you can make up a pangram sentence. Okay. And that's it.